Welcome to Agritech Marvels, your one-stop destination for exploring the latest technological advancements in agriculture. We're passionate about showcasing the incredible innovations that are transforming the way we grow food and feed the world. We believe that technology has the power to revolutionize agriculture, making it more efficient, sustainable, and productive. We'll take you on a journey through the fields of the future, where robots toil alongside farmers, drones monitor crops from above, and data analytics optimizes every aspect of the agricultural process. LZR03 Rice Paddy Field Border Making Machine Agricultural Innovation. The LZR03 Rice Paddy Field Border Making Machine, through its front cutting blade and leveling mechanism, expertly shapes paddy field borders. It optimizes water drainage and guards against animal-induced damages during cultivation, ushering in a new era of efficiency and accessibility. Rec Grass Silage Fertilizer Black Precision Grass Silage Distribution. The Rec Grass Silage Fertilizer Black Edition represents an innovative machine specifically engineered for the efficient and effective distribution of grass silage within agricultural operations. Designed to facilitate precise spreading and uniform distribution of grass silage in livestock farming and forage production, it excels in scenarios where even grass silage dispersal across a vast area is imperative. This robust machine is built to withstand the demanding conditions of agricultural work, ensuring long-lasting durability while accommodating the substantial load of grass silage, consistently delivering peak performance even in challenging environments. Lawn Tractor Grass Cutting. Streamlined lawn maintenance. The marriage of lawn tractors and grass cutting machines transforms lawn maintenance. Swiftly and efficiently, this dynamic duo tends to expansive gardens and lawns, eclipsing manual labor. Robust Track Vehicle CIT 5719 Rep, Versatility and Reliability. The CIT 5719 Rep Track vehicle is a versatile and robust machine acknowledged in various industries for its exceptional performance and reliability. Powered by an efficient and dependable engine, it delivers the necessary horsepower and torque to tackle demanding tasks. Its advanced hydraulic system guarantees precise and responsive operation, and the ergonomic operator cabin offers comfort and superior visibility. The intuitive controls and user-friendly interface make operating the Robin Transporter straightforward, empowering operators to maximize productivity and efficiency. The Morbark 50 of 48X3E Grinder, Arborist Extraordinaire. The Morbark 50 of 48X3E Grinder is engineered to tackle the monumental task of processing colossal trees. Its dynamic rotating shaft effortlessly and effectively crushes oversized tree trunks,
what's up is down, what's left is right.
Transforming them into valuable wood chips, particularly sought after in downstream wood processing industries. MTM series by Dango and Dienel, industrial versatility. The MTM series by Dango and Dienel is renowned for its exceptional abilities in gripping, turning, lifting, and tilting heavy loads, boasting a substantial carrying capacity of 15 tons. A notable feature of this series is its powerful yet noise-efficient diesel engine, which combines remarkable performance with reduced fuel consumption and emissions. This powerful combination makes it an ideal choice for various industrial applications. The Caterpillar 336 excavator and Caterpillar H160E hydraulic breaker, sculptors of stone. Beneath boundless cerulean skies, the Caterpillar 336 excavator and Caterpillar H160E hydraulic breaker orchestrate a breathtaking tableau, fragmenting rugged stone blocks into smaller, purposeful units, catering to the stone mining sector. Their versatility and efficiency seize the imagination under the vast azure expanse.